Okay guys, we have footage of this UFO that was spotted just before this volcano erupted. So guys, let's take a look at the footage and then we'll have a real quick chat afterwards. So this is what I know about this footage. This was captured on May the 15th, 2023, just after 5 a.m. Mexican time. So, in the footage, we can see this round, brightly lit object, or an orb, that seems to appear just before the volcano erupts. And to me, it's unclear. Does it go inside the crater or does it go to the side? That is up for speculation. But there is some sort of belief in this that the UFOs are using the volcanoes, either using the lava canals for some sort of travel so they can be unseen and go from one point to another, and or that they're using the raw energy as some sort of fuel. But guys, what do you think? Do you think this is a plane, a drone, or a UFO? So until next time, stay blessed and keep safe.